Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome to Recipe Lounge. How are you? Today I have another recipe that I'm going to share with you. Very easy, very quick to make. So let's see what we need. The name of this dish is called chicken Karahi, but very easy. Chicken ginger Karahi. So in this we put a lot of ginger in. Fresh ginger. I have like 2 inches of ginger here that I have cut into juliennes. 2 green chilies. We'll be using some spring onion. We also have some sour cream, and we'll also be using garam masala, 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, and white pepper 1 teaspoon, and tomato puree about a tablespoon, and 2 red round chilies, 4 of them. So I have 2 breasts that I had cut into long strips. So yeah, roughly about 1 pound and a half a kg. So here I have half a cup of ghee, which is clarified butter. I'm gonna put the cooker on. Once the ghee has melted, we'll add the chicken. So there are different types of karahis out there, but this is very easy, very quick to make. It really is nice. So the ghee is almost melted. We're gonna go ahead and add the chicken. And we're gonna fry the chicken until it changes color. In the next few weeks we'll be doing hopefully more of karahi dishes. Karahi means wok, so chicken or meat that's cooked in there in a lot of ghee or oil, a lot of spices. So the chicken has almost changed its color. And now we're going to go ahead and add the spices. The garam masala first. Salt. And white pepper. And the red chilies go in. I also added the half of the ginger, and we're gonna add the half of the green chilies. Some I'm gonna leave for garnishing. Now we're gonna mix all the spices really well. Mix the spices. Now we're gonna add the tomato puree, about a tablespoon or a teaspoon. Once you got the tomato puree in there, just mix again. So we're going to just keep mixing and cooking this. And now we will add the cream. Put the heat on low when you're adding the cream. Put the heat on low. We're going to add about 1 cup of sour cream. The cream's in there, so we're just going to mix. This is really super easy, but really tasty. This is mostly eaten with naans only, not with rice or anything like that. So we're just gonna cook now until the cream is slightly more dry and cooked. We don't need to cover. Because it's boneless chicken, it tends to cook really quick, and so that's the reason we're not covering. So the karahi is cooking away, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the spring onions. Just cut the spring onions. The oil has started to come to the top, but we're still gonna cook for another 5 minutes. So this is cooked now, so I'm just gonna garnish with some ginger. Now I'm gonna add green chilies. And some spring onion. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.